Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have brought for you the world's top 20 advanced and mind-blowing robots from Consumer Electronics Show 2026 Las Vegas. These robots are not just made for demos, but are designed to work in the real world. And these robots are going to be the future of the world. At number 1 is Atlas. Looking at Atlas, it would not be wrong to say that this robot has come closest to humans. This robot can walk, maintain balance, and move smoothly even on difficult terrain. At CES 2026, Atlas was showcased for industrial tasks, where it was performing heavy lifting and precision movements. In the USA, this robot is being seen as a future factory worker. Boston Dynamics has made Atlas even more intelligent and stable this time. At number 2 is Spot, Boston Dynamics. Spot is a four-legged robot that is already working in the real world. At CES 2026, it was shown in security, inspection, and emergency response scenarios. It can climb stairs, walk on uneven surfaces, and work in dangerous places instead of humans. In the USA, police departments and industries are actively using Spot. Next is Mob-ED Hyundai Motor Group. Mob-ED comes with a unique design that is completely different from traditional robots. Its 4 large wheels and advanced suspension system keep it balanced even on uneven roads. At CES, Mob-ED was presented for logistics and smart city use cases. This robot performs autonomous navigation through cameras and sensors. In the urban environments of the USA, the future of this robot is considered quite promising. The next robot is Unitree G1, Unitree Robotics. Unitree G1 is a compact humanoid robot known for its agility and speed. At CES 2026, this robot gave an impressive demo of smooth walking, turning, and body control. This robot is considered very useful for research and education. In the USA, startups and universities see this robot as an affordable humanoid option. It brings humanoid robots closer to the mainstream, and this robot is considered very advanced by people, and its clips keep going viral all over the world. At number 5 is Unitree H2, Unitree Robotics. Unitree H2 is an advanced and powerful version of G1, designed for industrial tasks. This robot has a stronger body structure and better payload capacity. At CES, it was showcased for warehouse and factory environments. This robot can work for long hours without fatigue. In the USA manufacturing sector, it can become a strong competitor. At number 6 is Unitree R1, Unitree Robotics. Unitree R1 can be called a beginner-friendly humanoid robot. This robot is made for students, developers, and researchers. At CES 2026, it was presented as a humanoid learning platform. In the USA, this robot can play an important role in growing robotics education. It is a perfect entry point for future humanoid engineers. The next robot is 4NE1 Gen 3 Neura Robotics. 4NE1 Gen 3 is an intelligent humanoid robot that focuses on human-robot collaboration. This robot is designed in such a way that it can work safely with humans. At CES, it was showcased for factories and service environments. It uses an advanced AI decision-making system. In both the USA and Europe, the future of this robot looks strong. At number 8 is GR3 Fourier Robotics. GR3 is a humanoid robot designed for healthcare and social interaction. At CES 2026, it was shown in hospitals and elderly care scenarios. This robot can interact with patients and provide basic assistance. In the USA, this robot can be very useful for the aging population. And this robot shows that robots can also work in hospitals. The next robot is Agibot A2. Agibot A2 is specially designed for the service industry. At CES, this robot was demoed in hotel, reception, and customer service roles. This robot is quite efficient in polite interaction and task execution. In the USA, it can become a cost-effective solution for the hospitality sector. The goal of this robot is not to replace human staff, but to assist them. At number 10 is EngineAI T800. EngineAI T800 was a surprise package of CES 2026. This robot was highlighted for its fast movements and athletic performance. It performed smooth walking and dynamic actions on stage. For the USA audience, this robot became a combination of entertainment and tech innovation. It shows that humanoids are not just slow machines, but can go far beyond that. CES LG Electronics. LG's CES robot takes the smart home concept to the next level. At CES, this robot was seen folding laundry, controlling devices, and following voice commands. It can become an ideal assistant for smart homes. This robot is deeply integrated with LG's ecosystem. In the future, it can make home life much easier. Honoro H1 Switchbot. Honoro H1 is a household humanoid robot that performs real physical interaction. Its hands can open doors and operate switches. At CES, this robot grabbed a lot of attention from people. It can be very useful for smart home automation. This is a real example of humanoid helpers. Saros Rover Roborock. Saros Rover was a practical innovation at CES 2026. It is considered the world's first stair-climbing robot vacuum. For multi-floor homes in the USA, it is a perfect solution. This robot has made cleaning even more automated. It shows that even small innovations can create a big impact. Eon Hexagon Robotics. Eon is an industrial humanoid robot that focuses on precision and safety. At CES, it was shown for manufacturing and inspection tasks. This robot can work safely alongside humans. For the industrial sector in the USA, this robot can boost productivity. It can become an important part of future factories. At number 15 is AA2 Golu Robotics. AA2 is an autonomous delivery robot that can navigate inside buildings. It can use elevators and understand complex layouts. At CES, this robot was presented for hospitals and offices. In the future, it is very relevant for contactless delivery. It makes logistics fast and safe. Tombot Jenny, Tombot Robotics. Tombot Jenny is a therapy robot dog that provides emotional support. At CES, it was showcased for dementia and autism patients. This robot behaves like a real dog but is maintenance-free. In the future, its demand in the healthcare sector can be quite high. This robot is a perfect combination of emotions and technology. At number 17 is AI pet robot Zvikar. This AI pet robot is designed for companionship. At CES, it was quite popular among kids and families. This robot interacts with humans, reacts, and also has learning abilities. For busy lifestyles around the world, it is an interesting alternative. This robot aims to reduce loneliness. The next robot is named Atom Richtech Robotics. Atom is an AI bartender robot that makes drinks and processes orders. At CES 2026, this robot went quite viral. For large restaurants and hotels, it can become an attraction that draws customers toward you. This robot provides consistency and speed. It is a fun example of automation in the service industry. Luba Robot Mower. Luba is an autonomous lawn mowing robot that uses GPS navigation. At CES, it was described as a perfect solution for lawns of American homes. This robot cuts grass without human input. In the USA, lawn maintenance culture is very strong, which makes this robot highly relevant. It takes convenience to the next level. And finally, experimental humanoid prototypes. At CES 2026, many experimental humanoid robots were also shown. These robots are being designed for future roles like firefighting, rescue, and space missions. Right now, they are prototypes, but in the next 5 to 10 years, they can become a reality. The USA is seeing these robots as the future workforce. This section clearly shows a glimpse of the future. So, these were the top 20 robots of CES 2026 that show that the future is no longer just imagination. Today's robots are building tomorrow's world. Tell us in the comments which robot you like the most and which robot you want to see a detailed video on next. If you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share.